guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing budget with me, and in this video we are budgeting my YouTube paycheck, my Etsy shop, my paycheck.com, and my dividends. And also I'm gonna share with you guys which stock I'm invested in that I'm collecting them dividends from. So if you guys want to see how much I made this week, then just keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with a blank page, I'm gonna write down my streams of income, which is YouTube, Etsy, paycheck.budgetz.com. I'm just gonna put Pinkx. Also my dividends, which I get dividends quarterly. Also PayPal. Alright, so let's change the color. So YouTube, I brought in $3,224.59. So this money is what I made in December, and YouTube pays once a month. It's the 21st of each month. So whatever you made the month before is what you get paid the next month, which I made this in December. I got paid this in January. Etsy, I brought in $549.62. My website, I brought in $1,112.86. Dividends, I brought in $877.20. And last is PayPal. So I do have a couple thousand sitting in PayPal. I'm not withdrawing it this time around. So let's add up the total amount we cashed in for this week. $3,224.59 plus $549.62 plus $1,112.86 and $877.27. So this is our total. And I'm gonna show you how I budget this. Okay, so we start off with our financial outline, and this is the month of January, and I did show this before, so you guys will see like my subscriptions and stuff, like what I pay for my YouTube paycheck. So YouTube and dividends, I'll be budgeting my website and my Etsy shop on a different page. So this is what I do, I separate it. So my YouTube, we brought in $3,224.59. Dividends, I brought in $877.20. So let's total that up. So that is a total of $4,101.79. Okay, so first is tax, and I always take out 30% before I even do anything. Next is Netflix. We have my security cameras, my gym membership. Next is shipping, which I use to ship packages from PinkxBudgetz. They charge me a monthly fee. Next is V-Key. And last is health insurance. So you guys know I already have a health insurance envelope, which I decided I won't be stuffing that weekly anymore. I'll just take it straight out of my YouTube paycheck. So yeah, let's get all our amounts first. So $4,101.79 times that by 30%, and that is a total of $1,230.58. Okay, so Netflix is $15.99. My security cameras is $16.19. Gym is $32.99. Shipping is $84.98. My V key is $5.39. And insurance, guys, I know I do have $200 already sitting in my health insurance envelope. So I'm just gonna fill it out for the whole month, which is $200. And then we'll just start that over in February. But like I said, I won't be stuffing that anymore. I'm gonna pull that envelope and just take it straight out of my YouTube paycheck. So let's add up this total. Okay, so that total, our expense total is $1,586.12. Now I'm gonna subtract that amount to my total income amount, which is $4,101.79. Subtract $1,586.12. It left us with $2,515.67. Okay, so now onto the envelopes. I don't stuff my cash envelopes with my YouTube paycheck. I do that with my business paycheck, my weekly paychecks. Sinking funds. So let's write down some of the sinking funds I do want to stuff from my YouTube paycheck. So let's do YouTube, and let's grab our sinking funds category. Okay, so starting off, we're gonna start with my kids' savings. I do want to deposit $50 each in their savings, their envelopes. Okay, on to family time. We're gonna put $20. Drip nothing. Cash emergency, let's add $50. Home emergency, $0. Car emergency, $0. Let's add $20 more to our health envelope. Christmas, back to school. Invest is getting $50. I do want to still invest out of my YouTube paycheck. The market right now, guys, is pretty low, so it's really a good time to like start investing. Gifts is getting $200. You guys know it, Valentine's Day is around the corner. I gotta get my man something and my kids something, so or I might even take them out. That's what I'm using my gifts envelopes for. And my 52-week savings challenge is gonna get $330. You guys know this money is going towards our Disney trip. I was trying to get it done by June. I probably might go around August because the weather is crazy in June and it might be super packed, so I am looking into going in August. All right, so that is all that we are stuffing out of my YouTube paycheck, so let's total that up. Okay, that is a total of $770 out of my YouTube paycheck. Okay, so now we're going back to this page, and my sinking funds amount $770. The total amount is $770, and our remaining amount. So we're gonna take that from here. So $215.67 subtract $770 equal. So we have a remaining balance of $1,745.67. So Boss Up Electric Funds Transfer. So we're going right into invest. We're gonna invest some dividends, and I didn't reinvest it back into my stock. I actually invest that into cryptos. So that is $877.20. And then we have PinkX, which is my website, PinkxBudgetz, my business. So 1745 and 67 cents subtract 877 and 20 cents. That left us with $868 and 47 cents, and that is going right back into Pink X Budgets. You got to keep the money in rotation when you have a business. You know, you got to make sure you keep up with supplies, inventory. So that is going right back into my Pink X Budgets, my business. And then the total amount was $1,745.67, and our remaining balance is $0. So this is my YouTube and my dividends. Okay, so on to my financial outline for my business, which is paycheck number 4 of January. So our source is my website and my Etsy shop. And like I said, I do get paid from PayPal too. That money is just sitting in my PayPal business account. So Pink X brought in $1,112.86, and Etsy was $549.62, and that total is $1,662.48. Okay, so first, like I said, taxes 30%, $498.75 already gone. So $498.75. Now let's get our total amount that we actually is working with. So that is $1,163.73. Okay guys, so now on to my envelopes. So now, before I actually fill this section out, I actually go right into my paycheck envelopes breakdown. So this is where all the magic happens, where I stuff each paycheck each week. So this is pay date January, and let me grab my categories from here. Okay, so starting off with electricity. Electricity is getting as usual 50. Car insurance is getting usual 45. Health insurance, like I said, we are taking that out. We're not stuffing it each week anymore. That's going to come out of my monthly YouTube paycheck. So next is groceries, which is 120. Gas is 20. Spending is 20. Beauty is 10, and giving is 5. So 270 is going into our cash envelopes. Now on to our sinking funds. Okay, so my kids both get $25 each. Family time is getting $10. Drip is getting as usual 30. Cash emergency fund is getting 10. Home emergency fund is getting 200 from our scratch off a ticket from last week. That is the number we scratched off for this week. My car emergency fund is getting 10. Health is getting 20. Christmas is getting 20. Back to school is getting as usual $5. Invest, we are investing $30 out of this paycheck. Gifts is getting 10. And my 52-week saving challenge, we are filling in 2 boxes, which totals up to $165. And yeah, so let's see how much that is. Okay, so our second fund amount is $560, and that totals up to $830 that we are stuffing for Sunday's video. You guys, I'm gonna stuff my YouTube paycheck tomorrow, so I am doing back-to-back videos. So this, guys, you guys will see me stuff it tomorrow, and actually I will also tell you guys which stock I'm invested in, because this video is already long enough. So tomorrow I will tell you guys for sure, okay, when I stuff my YouTube paycheck. Okay, so on to our financial outline. So cash envelopes receive, what was it, 270? Yeah, 270. Sinking funds receive, I think, 560, and that totaled up to 830. That's going into our envelopes. Remaining balance, which we have to subtract it from here, so 1,163 and 73 cents, subtract 830, and that leaves us with a remaining balance of 333 and 73 cents. Okay, so my boss up section, electronic funds transfer, which is PinkX, and that's gonna get all of it, 333 and 73 cents. So this is my business, guys. You got to keep it fresh. You got to, you know, keep the cash flow, money in rotation. You just got to manifest it, and you know, that's what I'm doing with my business. And my total amount is 333.73, and my remaining balance is 0. So yeah, guys, that is how I budget my monthly income and my weekly income. But like I said, I do separate it because that's what I do. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My video lineup is Friday. I'll be doing I'll be doing my YouTube cash stuffing, and I'll be talking about what I'm invested in. So I'll show you guys my portfolio a bit. Also, Sunday I'm gonna do my usual cash stuffing. Sometime next week I'm gonna do my sinking funds update. I gotta get that out before I even stuff any February paychecks. And also we're gonna do the $1 and $5 counting video. We're gonna see how much we saved in my kids' piggy bank, so I could deposit that right into their envelopes. And yeah, so it won't just be sitting in the piggy bank. We're gonna just restart that over and see how much we saved in a year for their piggy bank too. Alright guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.